And here we go. Here's the finished product for the kebab. This is how I eat most of the time. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Great to be back in the kitchen. I've been missing for a while. Just been focusing on the workout videos. But I think I'm probably slow that down and be more in the kitchen now so I can show you guys more recipes. And coming back today, I got some exciting recipes to show you guys. There's a kebab recipe. Again, I'm just trying this as I go, and I haven't tried it before, so we're gonna try it all together, okay? So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys the ingredients I'm working with, and in the end, I'll show you guys what the plating would be like as well too, because I'm gonna show you some stuff. I bet. Let's do this. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the seasoning first, and then I'll show you the meats that I'm gonna use. So I got some onion powder that I'm gonna use, adobo, all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper, paprika, some red crushed peppers to give it a little spice. Like I said, I always like a little kick to my food, and some garlic powder. And then I'm also gonna mix the meats with some diced up onions and also some diced up garlic as well too. Okay, now for the start of the show, the meats. So in here I have some ground turkey and some ground chicken mix that I have frozen, thawed it out. And then I just bought some grand lamb that I'm gonna mix as well too. And then last one, some wagyu ground beef. So basically 4 meats kebab. Okay, and we're about to start. I'm gonna put all the meats in the bowl, combine them, and then season all here, and then I'm gonna bake it in the oven. So let me put all the meats in the bowl and be right back. All right, so all the meats are in the bowl. I'm gonna mix it up. I'm just gonna get my hands dirty. No gloves today. I'm gonna raw dog this. Reggie got the meats. This is like a bodybuilder meal right here. I'm gonna show you guys like basically what I'm gonna eat it with, and put you guys on something that you probably didn't know as well too. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm gonna season this. I'm gonna season it with all the seasons that I mentioned before, and then add in the garlic and the onions as well too. So be right back after I season, and I'll show you guys how to do this. Is gonna be like a easy recipe, to be honest. Nothing too much to it. Actually, I was gonna season it off camera, but you know what? I'm gonna show it on camera. So let's do this. So first I'm adding some paprika. Don't be scared to season your food. Like I said, I don't really measure because the ancestors tells me when to stop. Like right there, they told me to stop, but they might tell me to come back again. And I will come back. This is the garlic powder. All you're doing is making your food taste good. Feel me? Don't be scared. Alright, then next I'm gonna add in the onion powder. Then doesn't matter which way you go about it, as long as you get all of them in there. Feel me? Use the all-purpose seasoning, which is adobo. So I'm not using salt because I'm using this. I might need a little bit more. That's fine. And the crushed pepper. Said this is just to make it a little, give it a little spice, a little kick to it. That's not too much. That's fine. Last but not least, I'll add in the black pepper. Add in the black pepper. Don't tell me you out of it. Okay. Just the last few of it. Gotta go get more. Alright, so I mixed up basically all the seasoning in there. Now I'm about to add the diced up onions. and then add a little bit of the garlic. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a mix as well too, and then it will go in the oven. I'm preheat my oven to 410, so can do the same and be right back. All right, so everything has been mixed up here, and now I'm gonna transfer that to the sheet. I brushed off some um, olive oil so it doesn't stick, so it gives it a nice, nice bake to it as well too. So I'm gonna transfer it over here, and then um, I'm trying to figure out if I should just put it in and just make a square and then just cut it, or just go in there and just make those squares with my hands myself. Ugh, I think I'm just pour it on there and then just do it. So give me a second real quick. Right, so here, let's transfer it over. I'm gonna spread it out the best I could do. I'm gonna cut it like this. All right, so this is what I have right now, and I have some diced up onions and tomatoes. I'm gonna just put on top for flavor. I was gonna put on the side, but obviously I don't have a bigger pan, so I'm just gonna leave it on top, and hopefully that gets cooked nice. Oh, actually, I also have some green peppers as well too that I'm adding as well too. So just put it just like this. All right, I think that's enough. I'm gonna put this in the oven and be back when it's done. And then I'm gonna start on the side dish as well too. So let's do that. As I started my fitness journey, I don't eat rice, I don't eat pasta, and I don't eat bread, right? And people ask me, so what are your carbs that you eat, Reggie? So I eat quinoa and also farro. A lot of people don't know about this, but this is really, really great. It's high in fiber and also high in protein as well too. And also got carbs. So it's like I basically replaced rice with this. And you guys should check it out. So I'm about to make this, and that will be the side dish with some other stuff as well too that I have going on. All right, so I have the washed up farro here. I'm gonna add in some salt for taste, just a little bit, and then cover it up until it boils, and then take out the top, then let it cook. So be back when it's done. I'll show you guys everything. I'm gonna plate it like I said. Oh, before we go, let me show you guys another side that I made. So here's some diced up onions, cucumbers, and some red onions, and pinch of salt and juiced lime that went in here. So that'll also be on the side as well too. And one of my favorite veggie, broccoli as well too. So very, very healthy house. Like, I love eating healthy. I love knowing that I'm doing things that make my body feel great and also look great. I can feel good, you know. So yeah. So now everything is cooking. So when it's done, I'll plate it, and then we see how it looks and how it tastes as well too. All right. So something that I forgot to mention before I cook the farro is um, so unlike rice, how rice when it cooked, it soaks up the water and becomes one. Farro is not like that. So when it's cooked, the water is still in there. So don't think that it's not cooked. Okay, just follow the instructions if you haven't cooked it before, and you'll be fine. So usually I do it like this, and then just drain out the water, and it should be all good. So I just wanted to mention that because I know some people probably would think, oh, it's not cooked, it's not getting cooked, but it is cooked. Just the water just stays. All right. And here we go. Here's the finished product for the kebab. It looks really, really good, and I can't wait to taste this. So guys, let me plate this, and I'll show you guys how the plate looks and everything. All right, so be back. All right, guys. So this is the finished product. We got the broccoli, some of the pepper and tomatoes and onions from the kebab pan, the farro, the kebab itself, and then some of the other side dish that I made as well too. Everything on here pretty healthy, high fiber, high protein. Got some complex carbs, and yeah, guys. So this is how I eat most of the time. The farro, I'll put a description in the link below. Guys, check it out from Amazon. It's pretty great. I'm telling you. Just replace rice with that, and you should be good. Yeah, guys. Have a nice day, and I'm about to tear this up.